Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 4 maths. Yes, today we'll start that is the new chapter that is time. Yes, students, you know that is time means what we will be studying from this lesson. So we will studying from months. How many months are there in a year? Yes, so how many days are there in a month and how many days are there in a week? Yes, so these all we will be studying in this lesson that is time. Okay, see we will be find out calculations, number of days, number of weeks and also year also we will be calculating and mention the reason for leap year. Yes, so first we will be understanding the leap year means what. Yes, okay, so next read the time in clock to the nearest hour and minutes. So express the time in am and pm, ante-meridian and post-meridian. Okay, so approximate the duration of familiar events. So familiar events, which are the familiar events will comes, no, that is we will be mention that date. So we will all study these. Yes, so first we will be studying here, students, you know that is, so in a week how many days are there? Yes, in a week there are 7 days. Yes, which are those? We'll write here. So 7 days in a week. Yes, so in a week 7 days are there. So which are those 7 days? First will comes which day? That is Sunday. So the first day of the week is Sunday. The first day of the week. In that week, that is first day is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then Saturday. Yes, so these are 7 days in a week. Yes, so in a week, 5th day. Which day is 5th day? In a week, which day is 5th day? Yes, we'll count here. See, Sunday is first day, Monday is second day, Tuesday is third day, then Wednesday is fourth day, Thursday is fifth day, and Friday is sixth day, and Saturday is which day? 7th day. Yes, so like we will be asking this. Before I'll ask one question, that what it is? Which day is a 5th day in a week? That is Thursday. Yes, so here we'll start again. We'll asking another one question. Tuesday is which day of the week? Tuesday is which day of the week? Tuesday is third day of the week. Yes, that is third day of the week. Yes, so next one, sixth day of the week, which day? Yes, so which day that is sixth day of the week? Friday. Yes, so like we will be start from Sunday is the week from first day, Monday is second day, Tuesday is third day, then Wednesday is fourth day, then Thursday is fifth day, next Friday is sixth day, and Saturday is the means week end day. Week start first day, week end day is Saturday. Understood this one? Yes, so here they can be given here from Monday to then what it is? Saturday. Yes, we will observe, students. So before the olden people, they are considering in a month how many days they will come. They didn't saw that what calendar. So they only see, they are using what? So our hand. So they are using these hands. Yes, that hollow part and so this part. So here see, I'll count now here. So totally how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months are there in a year. Yes, so now we will count. So I'll tell you, so that swallow part it comes as this part it comes as a 31 days. That swallow part it comes 31. So this part So it's a little bit, it's bent, no, that is, so that parts, it comes that month having 30 days. So this part having month 31 days, this part month having 30 days. Yes, now we will see January. So January month having 31 days. February having 28 or 29 days. Next March also having 31 days. Next April having 30 days. Yes. Next May having 31. Next June having 30 days. July 31 days. Next August also having 31 days. So July also having 31 days in the month, and also August also having 31 days in the month. Yes. Next September 30 days. Next October, that is 31. November, that is 30. December is the 31. Understood this one? How we will be see the months. So which months having the 30 days and which months having the 31 days. So we will be find out easily this method. Yes. Okay. So we will be do that. How it comes as which are the months. So comes 31 days and which are the months comes 30 days. Okay. Yes. So before going, I'll ask one questions to you. So how many days are there in a week? In a week, how many days are there? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Yes. Okay. So how many days are there in a month? How many days are there in a month? So there are 30 or 31 days in a month. Yes, it may be one month it comes as a 30 days and another month it comes as a 31 days. So we'll write as 30 or 31 days comes in a month. How many days are there in a year? Yes, so totally 1 year. How many days are there? There are 365 days in a year. 1 year, how many days it comes here? 365 days. Okay. Yes. So these all the questions will give the answers now. Okay. So here see students, they can be given here 2017 calendar. So from 2017 calendar, from Jan to December they can be mentioned here. Yes. So about this they can be given here this chart. What they can given here, see, write the number of weeks and days in every month in the following table and write them. Okay. So they can given here month. So here they can be mentioned here month and weeks, how many weeks are there in that month and how many days are there in this month. See this calendar month wise. First you will write how many weeks are there in a month, how many days are there in a month. So you will be write down this. Okay. Next one, now we will go to study as leap year. Yes, students, before going to understanding, so first we will see that what is the meaning of leap year. Yes, leap year means we can understanding in the month. So in the month, that is February month have the 29 days. The February month have the 29 days is called as that year is called as a leap year. Understood? So that leap year is comes four times. It means once it repeats in 4 years. So once it repeats 4 years, once it comes. Which one? Leap year. So leap year means what it is? So in which the February month having 29 days, that is called as a leap year. Yes, in the month. Which that is in the year of leap year. If it is that year, that leap year, the February month having 29 days, it comes at 29 days, that year we can call as a leap year. That leap year is comes 4 years once. Okay. Yes. So here we can understanding that. So they can given here table that calendar also they can be given here. That calendar is 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. All these are February month. Here see students, 2012 they can given here. In this month, February month having 29 days. Then February month 2013, February month having 28 days. 2014 February month 28 days. 2015 28 days. 2016 29 days and 2017 28 days it can be given here. Yes, so here we can understanding what we can understanding. So how we will be find out that leap years? How we will be find out that year is leap year it comes? So we can understanding in the year February month, if the 29 days it comes here, say students, only here in this year once it comes no here 29 days, this 29 days which year it comes no, and that year we can call as a leap year. So it comes here 2012. Yes, see leave this. So 1 2 3 again 4 years it comes, fourth year. So it comes as which one? That is 2016. So 2016 again comes leap year. Next add that is 4 years. So next it means adding 4 years it comes as last 2020. So last year. Yes, this year 2021. Yes, so I will see how we will be finding this one. It see that is, for example, I'll write here. So now it is 2020 before year. Now it is 2021. Yes, so this 2 digits. This only 2 digits is divisible by 4. So only 2 digits are divisible by 4. That year we can call as a leap year. See here 4, I'll write 20. So 4 we can be divisible. 4 5s are 20. So it is divisible. Yes. So this year we will see the 21. So 4 5s are 20. See, it's remained 1. So remaining is there. It means remainder is 1 is there. No. So it's not completely divisible. So 2021 is not a leap year. Understood? So 2020 is leap year. So next when it comes as a leap year? Now it is 2021. Next 2022 also not comes. 22 is also not divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24 it comes. Okay, it's not divisible. Next 23. 4 divisible. See 23. So 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. It's also not divisible. Next 2024 we'll see. So 4 5s are 60. 4 5s are what? 20. 4 6s are 24. Yes. So this is completely divisible by 4. So next 2024. Which year? 2024 is a leap year and 2020 is leap year. The back year is leap year. Next it will comes as a 2024. See here 20 to 24. How many number is difference here? 4 number is difference. Yes. So it means we can understanding the leap year is comes in a 4 years once. Understood this one? How we will be finding the leap year? That 2 digits are, last 2 digits are divisible by 4. That year we can call as a leap year. So mind it this one. Okay? Yes. So I hope you understood about the leap year. Yes. Next one they can given here. Yes, so they can given here remember points. Yes, we'll write now remember points. So those are 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. Okay. 1 month is equal to how many days? 30 or 31 days. Yes, okay. 12 month is equal to 1 year. How many year 12 month is equal to? 12 month is equal to 1 year. Next. So here 1 year is equal to how many weeks? 52 weeks. And 1 year is equal to how many days? 1 year is equal to 365 days. Yes, understood this one? So, we can understanding. So, what we will understanding here? In a week, how many days? And this is in a week, 7 days. And in a month, how many days? 30 or 31 days. In a 12 months is equal to 1 year. 1 year is equal to how many weeks? 52 weeks. Yes. And 1 year is equal to how many days? 365 days. If it is leap year, that year the number of days in a year, that is 366 years. Because you know that is 366 days, not a years. So in a year 366 days. Because you know why? So because that can be given here 366 means in the month of February, how many days comes in a leap year? In the month of February having 29 days, 1 day it comes extra that year, that including 1 day in a total days. So it comes 366 days. So in normal days, as a normal year, so it comes as only 28 days in a February month. Understood? Yes, that year we can call as a normal, that year. It's not a leap year we can. If it is 29 days comes, we can call. So that days are, how many days in the leap year? 366 days. Understood? Okay. Yes, they can given here in the exercise. Exercise 14.1. Exercise 14.1. First one they can given here. If 365 days are there in a year, which is not a leap year, which is not a leap year, how many days? How many days are there in a leap year? Yes, if 365 days are there in a year, okay, which is not a leap year, that's not a 365 days are there, no, this is not a leap year. Yes, so how many days are there? So how many days are there in a leap year? There are 66 days are there in a leap year. Understood? Okay, that is second one question they can mention here. Examine whether the following years are leap year or not. How we will be finding whether the following what years are leap year or not. So first one they can given here. This is the second main. What they can given here? Let first one 1000. So 908. It means in the year of what? That year. Yes. See here. That is in the first one they can mention here. So here this year, so 1919 in 198. So this is that 2 digits are divisible by 4. So if it is these 2 digits are divisible by 4, so this year we can call as a leap year. So this is leap year because so we can see the in the 4th table it is divisible by 4. Okay, like second one they can mention here 2003. Here see students, these two digits are divisible by 4. No, that is not a leap year. Okay, and C1 1972. So it is divisible by 4. See here, we'll see that is third one 1972. So 1972 is leap year or not? How we will be finding? See, two digit numbers will take. So and divide by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 is bigger. So now we will write 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 as it is we'll write 4 ones. It means 4 is 32 is divisible by 4. Yes. So 4, how much are 32? 4 8s are 32. Yes. So we can understanding 72 is divisible by 4. It means that year is we can call as leap year. Okay. Yes. Next one, that is 1190. Yes. So you can do this one 94. 4 twos are 8. Yes. So 10. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it not a divisible by 4. So it's not a, so it comes a remainder 2. So it's not divisible by 4. So it's a not a leap year. Okay. Next one 2013. That is 2013. It is also 13. They can be given. It is divisible by 4. No, this is also not a leap year. Understood this one? Okay. So next they can given here how many. Third question, how many leap years are there from 2013 to 2025? Yes, 2013 to 2025, how many, what leap year are there? 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 18, 19, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. First we'll write here. Okay. First see, 13 is not divisible by 4. So it is not comes a leap year. 14 is divisible by 4. It comes here. So it is also not divisible by 4. 15, it is also not comes. 16, yes, it comes. It's a divisible by 4. 17, no. 18, it is also no. 19, no. 20, yes, it comes. 4 5s are 20. Yes, it comes. 21, no. 22, it is also no. 23, it is also no. 24, it comes. So it comes. So it is a 4. What it is? 24 is divisible by 4. So 25, no. Yes. See, we can see here how many years are there in a leap year. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 years. 3 years. So comes a leap year from 2013 to 2025. Yes. Okay. Next one, that is fourth one they can mention here. How many days are there in a 2014? First you can see that year is leap year or not. 2014. It's not a leap year. So it means here 365 days are comes in a that year 2014. Yes. Next, how many years once in can the birthday celebrated for those who are born on the February 29th date in the leap year? Yes. So students, you know that is in the February month, that day, that is the 29th day, who are born in that day. So how many years once they are celebrated those birthday? That is 4 years, because you know that is a leap year comes 4 years once. That leap year means if the February month having 29 days, Yes, if it is the day 29 is there, that year we can call as a leap year. Yes, so those people who are born in the February month 29th date, those are celebrated those birthday 4 years once. Okay, yes. So students, next they can be given here calculation of time. So that is we will see in the next class. So we'll continue this next class in the next session. Thank you for watching.